my god. I will be staring at these photos for a long time.
Hey, stop it!
Kia ora koutou i te whānau, welcome back to my channel. Today is a really short, quick video unboxing my Butter BTS CD that just came in the mail. I ordered this album online from Mighty Ape. I filmed this on my phone, so the quality is not going to be that great, but I am so eager to open this up that I didn't want to wait. I couldn't be bothered to pull out my proper filming camera, and the boys in the band, when they unbox their own CDs, they're always like, you just push on the corner. No. Several moments later.
No.
I've been so eager to get into this. I haven't even done the intro for my channel. Kia ora. Welcome back to my channel. My name's Georgette, my middle name is Demelza, and it is always a delight to be a vegan, because most of the stuff on my channel is about being vegan. Today's a bit different. Seriously. Oh, I've done it. This is the cream version. I've never owned a BTS album before. This is the first one that I've ever bought. So if you don't know much about BTS, I'll probably do a few videos on me reacting to their videos. As a dance teacher, I just find their songs, their videos, everything exceptional. Fantastic. If you've never heard of BTS, you must have been living under a rock. But they are a Korean pop group, and there's 7 members, and my bias, my favourite, is Namjoon, the leader, one of the rappers. His stage name is RM, Rap Monster, and I'm really hoping to get his photo card. So here we go. Okay, I'm going to show you the contents of what comes with this album. I'm a 31-year-old woman. These men that range between 24 to 29 are just exceptional, and I have become a child. A full photo book of the members. Even the back of their heads, stunning, stunning. Wow. If you follow me on TikTok, you will see a lot of my own BTS reaction videos and content and stuff like that, and you'll know how much I love them. So we've got a poster in here. This gives me a lot of nostalgia, because I grew up where CDs were the thing. You would go to your local CD store and you'd wait like in a line for the CD to be released, and you'd be like the first person to have it. Often the CDs would have you know, posters inside. So this is giving me a lot of nostalgia. As a child, I loved having CDs, and now I can have the BTS boys in my room, which I will. Okay, so this is a card. I'm getting really excited for the photo card. I can already see who it is. A cute little, like a little pop-up thing that I can put on my desk, because now I have a home office, so the BTS boys can just work with me all day as well. I've got a, I've already seen my photo card. I've got a message from Suga. Suga is one of my favourite members as well. Inside his signature, and today's to-do list, which of course I can't read because it's in Korean, but that's okay. The moment we've all been waiting for, the photo card. So photo cards in BTS fandom, or armies as we call ourselves, are very rare, and you know, they can go for quite an expensive amount of money. And this photo card that I have today, dun, 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 is Taehyung. So I got V, or his real name Taehyung, is one of the most stunning members, one of my faves as well. Oh, I saw on TikTok today that this one is actually in high demand. Also inside we've got we've got the CD. I'll show that to you first. I mean, this box is just beautiful, everything about it. So I can play that in my car. I do believe it only has 4 songs on it. Did I pay 60 New Zealand dollars for this? Yes, I did.
Give us your money.
I've got a gorgeous little photo of them all at the beach. I've got the lyrics to the 2 main songs that are on this CD, Butter and Permission to Dance, and both of these songs are in English. And the thing that I loved about Permission to Dance, when they released the video clip, they actually had elements, or they had sign language in their video clip, in the music video. And I've been somebody on social media and TikTok and Instagram for like the last 2 years, especially on my Instagram, banging on basically trying to include subtitles in every single thing that I put out. So all of my new videos have closed captions on them, and I'm also going to work with someone to put different language closed captions on all of my videos. So when they did sign language in their music video, I really wanted to cry. I thought that was just a fantastic thing for such a huge influential band to do. And you know, it was Disability Awareness Month when they released their music video. So it's no wonder people love BTS. They can sing, they can dance, they look like, you know, they've been carved out of stone. And some stickers. And you know, BTS, when they do their unboxing videos of their own albums, they encourage everyone to like use these stickers and make it their own and decorate it. And on TikTok there are some amazing videos of people who have completely changed what their Butter album looks like. So the fact that you get like some little stickers in there as well is super cute. Everything inside of this is so worth the value for money. Thank you for joining me. Short and sweet unboxing. Let's just take a quick look at some of these pictures together. My god, my god. It smells very new. Jimin looking as beautiful as ever. I should have got a second one to give to my friend Victoria because it's her birthday. Why didn't I order 2? What more can I say? I am extremely happy to have ordered this CD and all of the, you know, merch that comes inside it, and I will be staring at these photos for a long time. Jin, my beautiful Jin. Thank you for joining me today. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment if you have a bias from BTS. Who's your bias? Who's your bias wrecker? My bias is Namjoon. My bias wrecker is actually Jin. I just cannot stop watching videos of Jin. I hope you really enjoyed this video, and if you like BTS and you're part of the ARMY and you want more BTS content, please let me know. If you're like, I didn't enjoy this video at all, why are you talking about the Korean pop group BTS, please change it up. Comment below, let me know what's going on with you, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!